So what would you say is your top 3 favorite pieces?
My top 3 favorite pieces is probably the suit, the dress. I did a yellow dress that tied in the front. That was kind of neat. And it's an outfit that the young lady's going to wear today that I did not get to when the models put on.
Exclusive,
okay?
Yes, exclusive, okay?
So I designed a jacket that I put ZOOONEK around the band and some crazy kind of funky gold colored tapered chino pants.
Yes.
So you're the first one that's going to see it. They didn't get to see it. When we did the affection.
Come on with the Mikara content.
So you're seeing exclusive.
Yes, I'm excited. I didn't even get to see it. I'm seeing it just like y'all, okay? Yes.